Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about geocoding using Google Sheet. Geocoding is nothing but converting this traditional way of writing the address to points, like latitude, longitude. For this we are going to use Google Sheet and EZ Geocode plugin. So you will log in into Google Drive. You just need a Gmail account. You will log in into Google Drive. Click on New and open Google Sheet. This is similar to Microsoft Excel. The advantage of this tutorial that you do not need to install any software, or you don't need to have any programming background, or you need something called internet. So you will go to the add-on, click on get add-ons. Here you will search for a plugin known as EZ Geocode. I will install it. It will ask for the permission. I think it has been installed successfully. I can check. Yes, it is installed successfully. So we'll go to add-on EZ Geocode. We'll click on open. Here it is written that geocode address, and we click on setup. Automatically another sheet will be come up in which you can paste your addresses. I've written down my addresses here. All these addresses are belong to tier 2 or the small city or town of India. So I just paste it here. Yes, it has come up. So I will click on geocode. It will take some time. As we can see, the latitude longitude has come up, and like that it is known as OK partially matched, and all other features are fully matched. You can get the detailed addresses of all the location that I've entered, the latitude longitude in global coordinate system. Apart from this, you will also get the postal code, the proper city name of that particular area. So what I can do, I just copy my latitude longitude and paste in my Excel or CSV file. I will save it. As CSV. Geocode. I will open this CSV in QGIS in order to check that it has been located properly. I will go to the layer, add delimited text layer. X field we have given the longitude and latitude. Add. Here you can see that point has been located. In order to check, we will open the Google Maps, the background, with the help of HCM GIS plugin. I will open the label. Yes, it has been placed perfectly because this is my school. It is matching with the Google map. Here my first workplace, it is also matching. My present workplace, yes, it is also matching. So with the help of this tool, a small city or small address can also be located, and it can also be geocoded. In this process, you don't need to install any software, or you don't need to have a knowledge of any Python or JavaScript. All you need a Gmail account. That's it. Thank you. Please hit and like and subscribe button for more update.